The tangents to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square have inclinations alpha and beta intersect at P, point P. If cot alpha plus cot beta is equal to 0, then find the locus of P. So there is a point P. Let us consider point P to be h comma k. Tangents to be drawn to the circle. Let's consider these are the two tangents, and whose inclinations are alpha and beta, means the slope of this tangent can be taken tan alpha and slope of another tangent we can take it as a tan beta. Okay, m1 m2 are the slopes. If cot alpha plus cot beta is equal to b, then find the locus of P. So let P be the point h comma k. So tangent equation from point P to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square can be written as, by using slope form, having slope let's consider to be m. Let's consider m. So we had y is equal to mx plus a under root of 1 plus m square. So this is the slope form for a tangent equation, and this tangent is passing through the point h comma k. So we can write here k is equal to mh plus a root over 1 plus m square, or we can write k minus mh is equal to a under root of 1 plus m square. Even the condition can be taken plus or minus here, and squaring on both sides will get positive, so we consider the positive. So k minus mh whole square is equal to a square into 1 minus 1 plus m square. On simplifying, we can write k square plus m square h square minus 2 hkm minus a square m square is equal to 0. Or we can write by taking m square common, we had h square minus a square and minus 2 hkm, next plus k square minus a square is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in variable slope m. So whereby we had two roots, let's consider m1 and m2 are the roots. m1 and m2 be the roots. So sum of the roots m1 plus m2 can be taken as minus b by a, that is minus of minus 2hk upon h square minus a square. So that is 2hk upon h square minus a square. This is m1 plus m2. So m1 plus m2 is nothing but tan alpha plus tan beta we can write. Okay, let us consider this equation to be 1. Now it's given that, so it's given cot alpha plus cot beta is equal to is equal to 0. So which implies 1 upon tan alpha plus 1 upon tan beta is equal to 0, or we can write tan alpha plus tan beta divided by tan alpha tan beta is equal to 0. So which implies here m1 plus m2 divided by m1 m2 is equal to 0. Since m1 m2 is a product of the slopes, so let me write here m1 m2 is a product of the slopes. For this equation, c by a, that is k square minus a square upon h square minus a square, it cannot be equal to 0. So which implies that m1 plus m2 is equal to 0. So m1 plus m2 is 2hk upon h square minus a square is equal to 0 is the we are getting equation. So since h comma k is a point locus, so equation of locus can be taken as, locus of point P can be taken as 2xy, or in the numerator part we can consider this is possible for hk is equal to 0 and h square minus a square cannot be equals to 0, and hence we can write that equation can be taken xy is equal to 0. So let's not consider the denominator. So xy is equal to 0 is the locus of the point P, h comma k.